Buddy, here's a polished brass 52-inch Hunter Infiniti. It's a childhood fan for me because whenever I was little and we'd get all the Home Depot catalogs and everything, this was always the fan I wanted. And so I got this one in Austin, I think. Did I? Yeah, I did. At the Habitat. And it was not that expensive. I think I paid $15 for it. The light come from a flea market. And I just got whatever bulbs I could find laying around in there. We'll check that out. Love these LEDs. Which is what this one is. So yeah, it's kind of a cool light. And then the fan, obviously, is 3 speeds. Here's high. It's a good fan, nice, quiet. It's got a slight wiggle to it, but it, you know, well, really, it's just a light. Moves the air around nicely. Medium. Medium's got a little more noticeable wobble. And low. And off. It's a great fan. I'm glad I got it. So, yeah. I love these. They're so cool looking. Hunter fans now suck. But this one is cool. I feel like if they still made this, it would probably sell pretty well anyway, because it's got that modern looking design. Oh, but what else. Anyway, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.